શીરાનું કોઈ દિવસ શાક ના થાય અને અમારા મોદી સાહેબની વાત ના થાય. જય જય ગરવી ગુજરાત, જય હિન્દ.
आप और 15 इयर्स इंडिया को ऐसे ही प्रोग्रेस करें. वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद.
आज हमारे इंडिया के किंग आ रहे हैं एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू मीट हिम.
We are very excited and we found ourselves very privileged and honored to receive our Prime Minister Modi ji. And I would say सबका साथ सबका विकास.
So how do you feel about PM Modi attending the BRICS summit?
Obviously, PM Modi, he is our role model. Basically, as I told you that we are from Gujarat, and for us, Modi ji, he is like a role model for us.
How do you hope India will achieve at BRICS?
Definitely, far away, very very far away. As under the leadership of Modi ji, definitely India will have a specific place in BRICS.
We are very much excited. I think it's last one and a half years. It's the second opportunity we are getting to meet our beloved Prime Minister, and we are quite excited, and we are very proud of whatever he is doing for our country, and we are very proud of him.
Sir, how do you feel about PM Modi attending the BRICS summit?
Well, BRICS Summit is a very serious platform wherein actually they have an ambitious goals actually, and today world is a multilateralism and cooperations, and BRICS is one of the largest economies of the world, BRICS countries. Definitely this is leveraging they are leveraging their strengths in this particular platform. Definitely it will help us, but it got stuck actually for a while. In terms of their goals and ambitions is not really matching with the progress what they are making, but hopefully this particular summit will get some more breakthroughs, and this BRICS will flourish.
We are very very much excited and very very happy to welcome him, and this is our great pleasure to welcome him. Welcome Modi ji, and आप और 15 years इंडिया को ऐसे ही प्रोग्रेस करें. वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद.
So how do you feel PM Modi attending the BRICS summit?
Yeah, it's very very absolutely achievement for us as Indians, and we see like we looks like Modi ji is going to be success our Indian community in the BRICS, and for sure he will take the India ahead.
Sir, what do you hope India will achieve at this BRICS summit?
Definitely, I'm not in that much like knowledge what he is going to be present as India, but for sure whatever he is going to do is for sure it's very it will take the next step to India.
I'm very excited. My whole family is a big fan of Modi ji, and we missed last time we couldn't meet him, and we are very glad that he's coming here again. We were able to meet him in US as well, in Houston during Howdy Modi. We are very very excited.
Sir, how do you feel about PM Modi attending the BRICS summit?
Well, I feel very great. I mean, BRICS is such an important event. We are all here to discuss about the geopolitical economics among the emerging countries. So, of course, I feel very good about it.
So what do you hope India will achieve in BRICS?
It's a very nice question. Hopefully, we are able to create our own currency through BRICS, and we go towards de-dollarization.
So do you think PM Modi visit to Brazil for BRICS will benefit India and Indian diaspora as well?
Definitely, I do feel that.
See, this is one of the honor to receive him here in this Brazil for this BRICS which is going to happen here. See, we need this trading to happen between the two countries. It's a big opportunity for India also to improve their trading businesses in terms of exports, right? So yeah, I'm very much honored to receive him here. Yeah. And also I would like to I'm also sorry for the people who lost their life during the Pahalgam attack also, and during the Air India crash. So yes, yeah, he has taken a very good initiative on against a terrorist attack. Yeah, we are very happy to receive him here.
हम सब बहुत ही उत्साहित हैं उनको वेलकम करने के लिए यहाँ पे.
इस बार ब्रिक्स में वो सम्मेलन में सब शामिल हो रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हम चाहते हैं कि ब्राजील और इंडिया का जो रिलेशनशिप है वो और मजबूत हो, और उसी के लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं, और अपना कल्चर भी बढ़ाए ब्राजील के अंदर.
इस सम्मेलन से क्या आपको लगता है इंडिया को, इंडिया के बाहर जो विदेश में रह रहे हैं उन लोगों को भी फायदा होगा?
जी, क्योंकि अभी ब्राजील इज अ बिगर इकोनॉमी, तो सर्टेनली इंडियंस के लिए जो बाहर रह रहे हैं उन लोग के लिए भी बहुत ही लाभदायक होगा।
बता नहीं सकती मैं, आज मेरी खुशी 100 गुना बढ़ गई है। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ नरेंद्र मोदी जी से मिलने के लिए। आज हमारे इंडिया के किंग आ रहे हैं एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू मीट हिम। जल्दी जल्दी आ जाइए।